Aloha from the island of Maui. I am Corrine Daniels. I am the creator of Sacred Dance Path. I offer meaningful movement for women. And specifically, I teach a Polynesian dance that is rooted and grounded in hula. And it's a very beautiful, gentle movement modality. I like to say that it is movement medicine, and I will be bringing a sample of my dance offering to this wonderful online experience called the Virtual Healing Experience. I'm going to be teaching you some strategic and technical ways of moving your body in the form of hula that will de-stress and create peace to combat your anxiety. It's a very beautiful and gentle movement modality that also involves your breath, your heart light, and complete embodiment of peace and love. I look forward to sharing that with you very soon. Aloha.